We are at Denver West.
19.
Building 19. Jesus, this place is huge. We have more Dovers.
We got innovation Dover tradition.
But look in here. They're custom Dovers.
Oh, this is interesting, yeah. I wonder, does the other indicator up there work?
What? There's two.
It does.
That's neat. Two different indicators.
Bell shot on the floor.
This is actually a neat little custom Dover install. Neat. Neat little set here. Anyway, that will be it.